Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss next field for input in form. Till now I have discussed how to add text box, how to add checkbox, how to add radio button, how to add password and how to add multiple line text input. Now it is the 6th point, adding pull down menu. So today's topic is adding pull down menu in form in HTML. Pull down is like a drop down menu, means it is a kind of selection list. Okay, means there will be multiple options, you will have to select or choose one option from a list. That's called pull down menu or drop down menu. It is a kind of selection list. A selection list displays a list of options from which the user can select an item. Tag for pull down menu or selection list is select tag. Okay, the tag used for this is select tag, not input tag. It is written over here. Select tag is used to define the selection list in a form and should be defined within the form tag. Okay, every tag of form will start after form tag. The option tag is attached inside the select tag. It is just like we discussed list in HTML. As we discussed ordered list, unordered list, similarly there will be select tag for selection list and there will be option tag inside select tag, as li tag was inside ul and ol tag, means ordered list and unordered list, there was li tag nested. Similarly select tag will also have option tag. It display list of options. As li tag used to define list items, similarly option tag will define list of options. Here is the syntax: select on option 1, option 2, then kindly put dash 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 over here because you can add any number of options. Okay, dash dash dash, you can put any number, then select off. Similarly example is here: HTML on, head on, title off, head off. You can give any title according to your heading. Okay, body on, form on, table on, tr on, td on, then write the text for which you are making drop down menu or pull down menu. Usually we make this for date of birth, because in date of birth a user will have to fill day, month and year. So similarly you can write tr, td, date of birth, td off, td on, select tag, then option tag on. Inside option we can give the name of days. As we know, days are from 1 to 31. Okay, so in 1 to 31 user can have any date of birth. So we will write here option day, option 1, and till the time write all the options till option 31. Okay, you don't have to put dash here, it is just for simplification, but in your computer you will have to write full all the options. Just copy paste it, option 1, option 2, 3 till 31. There is no need to off option tag, as we did not off li tag in unordered list and ordered list. Similarly option tag will also don't have off code. Option tag on number 1 till 31, then option, then select off. Okay, next select on. Okay, next select on for month, option on month, option, as we know there are months from January to December, so write all the months, don't put dash here. In computer for running the program you will have to write January, February till December. Write the full form, not short. Here short is written but you have to put full form. As we daily see on form on internet, they are properly formatted with full forms, January, December. So write all the 12 months from January to December. You can copy paste in your computer. Here we have put dash but don't write dash. Option on Jan till December, select off. Another select for year, option on year, then write option, write start from current year. 2021 is current year and write 2021, then option 2020 to 2020, then option 2019, option 2018, option 2017, you can write till any number, as we have written here till 1990. Okay, every time start with current year, then go back with some, not only 1-2 years, will at least some years for the entry of by user. Okay, then select will be of, td of, tr of, table of, body of, form of, body of, html. So this is the way to add drop down menu or pull down menu or selection list by select tag using option tag. So I have discussed 6 elements in a form in HTML till that time. Next I will discuss in other videos. Thank you for listening.